birthday, why are you smiling? There's no one on it yet.
Because you're my baby.
I know.
Oh, look, there we go, one person.
Yeah. Oh, let me see it now, let me see it. Guys, I read to see you.
You're not still then?
Ah, boy. Yes, Nita. Big up Nita G. What do you mean? Gaza Tug Dan. Fiance Jazz. Real Vietnamese.
Don't. Oh, look, there's Ufuk.
Oh, big up my nephew. No girl no one left you.
Big up Ufuk.
I'm out.
No, you're not out.
No, somebody said what the time they knows.
Oh.
How you mean? Just want to wish my baby a happy birthday. Yes, happy birthday, baby.
Happy, oh, thank you.
Yeah, she was gonna say happy birthday to you too. Alright, big up the real Gaza uncle. Yeah, so baby, how this on my nose?
You're not out. I remember Gaza uncle when your case was going on, I was keeping up to date.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Big up Care, UTG.
Big up Nita.
Yeah.
Big up Keka, I saw her at your party.
Yeah, Care, man. Thank you, Gaza Reds.
Gaza Reds.
Gaza Tug 718.
Thank you, Ufuk.
Always great.
My nephew, our nephew.
So, Gaza uncle, I wish you happy birthday. VMA just where you see a scorpion. Like sidem.
Big up the Scorpios. One Scorpios, don't matter if you're a Capricorn or anything.
Sleek dancer. What do you mean?
Sleek dancer.
Yeah, one of the weak dancer.
No, we don't.
You know the mean?
You're the strong dancer.
Oh. Yeah, care. I mean. Yeah, Gaza Tug Dan. Big up yourself.
Brando.
Triple million. Yeah, man. Brando music review, man. One Brando, you know. I'll give you that. Yeah, man. That's a thing, man. Modern mature woman.
Marlene.
Big up Marlene.
Hey, Marlene.
Yeah, man. I just said that, man.
Hey, Brittany.
Brittany earn. I mean, some of them not earn, you know. Yeah, man.
She's a Brittany Palmer to me.
Yeah, Brittany Palmer, I don't know why she not changed it yet. Jaim, you know what to do. I mean. Big up W Campbell 19. Yeah, man, I say things said. We catch your life, no. And I really alive, you know. Well, it is alive, but me just jump on for wish my baby happy birthday. You know what I mean there? Yeah, man. Big up Mafia SCG. And Fears. Yeah, man. Brittany said, I'm not get the ring yet. Jaheim, you know what to do.
Make sure Jaheim gets it for her.
Yeah.
She deserves it. And more.
Big up King Kunmat. Devon 6392. Big up Princess or Princess.
I'm trying to catch up. I've lost.
But you are going now. We have some business we got to attend to.
Yeah.
So, big up all the other women too. But, you know, I see them that like I was meant to.
I was meant to.
Yeah.
Be a lie, them a tell for me.
That are the talking on the street.
Them have to prove it in front of me.
Hey, you want him there?
Me and him never there.
You want him there?
Me and him baby.
Time to do rap, Tanya.
Yeah. Document it.
What you mean? Up to the time you see them to one, yeah? Time to do rap, Tanya. What you mean? One sexy tea.
Alright.
And she make my whiskey sour.
Alright, you hear that?
Round to the hour. Yeah, I'm at the dentist. With, guess who?
I'm going to be doing his teeth today.
Which teeth have they got?
Well, we're going to take out that one, but we're not going to take out that one. Open up. We're going to...
Why?
Celebrating like say one, mix it like material. So like a cereal, maybe you like chicken, hot and spicy and original or barbecue. Barbecue on my German professional in theater. And you're like the Martian and Mars, the chemical, it's the stars.